Hi, welcome back to CS 2024. I'm still here at the Shift All booth with Shift All CEO TK. So now we're going to see your controllers that you've told us before, and now they're here. So tell us all about these SteamVR Lighthouse controllers.
Yes. This is the latest SteamVR Lighthouse controller, and regularly it's quite similar to the regular controller. The button layout is almost same as the Quest controller, Oculus Touch controller, and also the all button and the sticks are touch capacitive touch sensor is enabled, and also the most big thing it can be flip the controller part to the back side of the palm, and then you can grab anything like a microphone like this, cool. Or grab the keyboard or mouse, something like this.
How about adult beverage?
Yeah, of course. And then whenever you can drink the beer or wine in a VR space.
Okay, that's actually why you thought about doing this, right? Mm-hmm. Because you are a VR space, a VR chat lover, user, and you had this problem. You cannot drink with other controllers.
Yes.
Wow. So this is really interesting. So these are called FlipVR, and when are they coming to the market, and for what price?
The price is $399. It already started pre-order in the US, and only in US and Japan right now. But as soon as possible, we're going to start the pre-order for Europe.
That would have been my next question.
And the ship out will be April.
Okay. You will send it already in April.
No. Pre-order already started, and send it out in April.
Okay, you're going to send it out in April. Perfect. Cool. So.
And also, one of the big function is this is a world first adjustable size adjustable VR controller. So, for example, my hand is small and your hand is bigger than me. Yeah. But this controller can be adjustable, the position of the controller pad like this, and also can be changed.
The angle?
The angle of the controller face depends the length of the thumb.
Okay, wow. So here you can adjust this part here to perfectly fit your hand.
Yes.
I like it.
Wow. Thank you so much.
That is cool. So that is really cool. So $399 or $499?
$399.
Okay, all right. Yeah, it's also not so much more expensive than the Valve controllers. Perfect. Let me try them.
Yeah, of course. Let me try. Which position is better? This is far and this is near.
I think Oh, okay, wow. It's really great that you can adjust the angle. You know, you can adjust the angle perfectly to your hand, which is pretty nice. So we have the grip button here and the trigger and grip. Okay. So the position, I still have to get used to it, honestly speaking. Can you put it a bit further to there?
No, just only the
Okay. All right. Like it feels like this doesn't feel so natural, honestly speaking. Here, the trigger. Mm-hmm. The trigger. It feels like I have to bend my finger a bit too much. Would be better. You know what I mean?
I see.
So I'm used to. I don't have to bend my finger for other controllers. So for others, it feels a bit more natural. But okay, this is the first moment that I'm using it. Probably. Okay. Yeah, it's you have to get used to it, I think. Okay.
You want to try in VR chat?
First, show me this. Okay. So now I can grab something. Beverage.
You can grab.
Okay.
When you're drinking something, not lose your hand position tracking, because the right hand tracking system is the backside of the palm. So.
So then in the VR chat you have like the avatar is drinking in real.
Yes.
Okay. Let me try it.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I can now. Can I use it to move forward? Hello?
Excuse me, what?
Can I move forward and move?
No, you can move forward by using the left hand side control. Okay, left hand stick is moved.
Okay, great.
Oh. Yes. And the right hand side stick is turning.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is cool. Actually, you can get used to the trigger. It was just the first moment. That is a bit, I have to get used to it. Because it's smaller. It's smaller than what you have in your hand normally. It's a bit smaller. Yeah, okay. But now I want to grab something. I do this, and I grab something.
Okay.
Microphone. And now I can say something. Yeah, cool.
If your
Actually, that's
avatar has a microphone, you can completely synchronize the microphone.
Yeah.
With actual real life microphone position and the virtual microphone.
Exactly.
position.
Okay, cool. Wow, okay. I like it. It's a great concept, actually. Nice. Okay. Cool. You want to try out?
Yes.
Okay, it feels like in an airplane. Like you have like what is it called? The joggle in your hand.
Okay. You're right.
Yeah?
You're right. Some joystick.
Yeah.
Like the-
Oh, wow. It's cool that it's flexible. You can play around a little bit. I mean, it's not so stiff then when you are long in VR. And it's cool to have like anything to play around with. That's cool. Just have it in your hand and you can do this. I hope it doesn't break. So
You also hope so?
Yeah. Is it inside or this is plastic? What is inside? Is it metal?
No metal inside. It's all plastic.
Oh, okay.
But the final production will use the fiber inside glass, fiber inside plastic. So it's very stiff.
It's stiff,
Yes.
yeah. Is it supposed to do that? Not really, right?
Not really.
Yeah,
But this flexibility is quite important for the how to say unbreakable.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
because when I push very hard here, I have a feeling that it's it's a little bit. I mean, that's a prototype, of course, but this has to be very stiff and well designed. Okay, so what about this move? Okay, and now I can wrap anything. Yeah, that's okay. That's a cool party trick, right? Yeah, okay. And because you have the tracking here, I can still use everything in VR, or it's displayed correctly, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So it seems that you are a big VR chat fan. Is it correct?
Yes, of course. Every product is for the big VR chat fans.
Cool.
Many Japanese love VR chat, right?
Yeah, I love VR chat.
Nice. Yes, cool fan service. I like that.
Thank you so much. Some shit like that.
Yes, this is cool. Okay, the trigger.
Everybody freaked out. It was in the news. Then it came back and
And also the
Yeah.
VR is quite better for the business use case, because on the business use case, the back and forth to the computer, virtual reality, computer, virtual reality. For example, designing process for the car or some other the building. So they are designing using the CAD with the PC, and once design changed in the CAD software, and then they go into the VR and check the 3D design, and they go back to the PC. In that use case, just a flip, and using the keyboard and mouse, and just a flip,
You're right.
and they go to the.
I can easily type.
Yeah.
You're right. That's such a good use case.
Actually, that's a huge use case.
Yeah, really.
And also you can hold the smartphone.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that's also important. You're right. Wow.
You have some pretty interesting products.
Thank you so.
Yeah, really. And yes, I have the same feeling like with the trigger here. I mean, for me, this grip button is on the wrong spot.
I see.
Yeah, it's like I'm digging a little bit in here.
A little bit in means.
Yeah,
much more.
like my skin is.
I see.
Like
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a problem. That's already
Yeah.
known problem, and we will be
Good, okay.
change the do not go into the skin into the mechanical.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah, very cool idea, to be honest. I mean, there are not many SteamVR Lighthouse controllers on the market. We have the like Pimax World controller, but they
Let's
are
forget about them.
Yeah, they have no actually thumbsticks. I don't know why, but of course you have, and it's good to have an alternative to like the index controllers.
Yes, I think so.
I mean,
And such an interesting one.
yeah, really.
Right? It's really an interesting concept.
I mean, I feel like I also want like just normal Lighthouse controllers. So I'm asking myself, why is nobody releasing a Quest Touch controller for Lighthouse just? But I mean, maybe because nobody would be interested. Yes, but it's not a huge market. Yeah.
You know what I also like about this? It's a Lighthouse controller with a normal grip button. Not like the Valve, you know.
Yes, you're right.
This is like a normal grip button. It's actually it's pretty cool. So $399. Yeah, it's okay.
What is this?
This
You
one
can put it here.
for those much more hard use case, like a sports game
You
or
showed like
boxing
that.
game.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, okay. So very interesting product. Very cool that you can actually pre-order it right now, and it's going to ship in April
Yes.
for $399 in the United States and in Japan.
Yes, of course.
Very cool product.
Not Europe.
Not Europe yet, but
Okay, let's forget about it. Let's go somewhere else.
We have to rushing up to ship out to the US, Europe. So
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, TK, thank you so much for
you so
showing us
much.
another cool product. We both like it. It's not perfect yet, but it's actually useful, I would say.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. Yeah, that's it from the how's it called FlipVR from Shift All. Thank you so much, TK. Very cool products. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy our coverage here from CES 2024, and leave a comment. Is that something that you're interested in? Let us know in the comment section. And absolutely subscribe to this channel. And now we're looking forward to seeing the next one. Until then, bye-bye.